We love Samsung. Do you love Snapdragon TMRO?
The final goodbye is here. Samsung's dream of making the best smartphone chip are now officially over. We've heard this in the news and the reports, but now this is a done deal. Galaxy S25 series will officially use Snapdragon 8 Elite chip across all the markets, meaning you don't have to buy the Ultra model to get the best performance from Samsung. You can now have it with the standard Galaxy S24. In fact, even the S26 series is set to use the Snapdragon 9 Elite, whatever the name will be, for all of its models. So two groups of people should be really happy right now. First are the Samsung fans, and the second group is the Google Pixel fans, because Tensor G5 will be manufactured by TSMC, not Samsung. So yeah, if previous reports weren't enough, now it is done, pretty much confirmed. No performance compromise anymore, but guess what? Samsung found a way to save some money. The Galaxy S25 series is set to use the M13 OLED panels, not the latest M14 OLED panels. And you might be confused, what is the difference between M13 and M14? The major difference pretty much lies in the power efficiency, meaning the M14 displays are set to be about 20% power efficient compared to M13 OLED panels. This is really weird because, in case you don't know, Samsung literally provides their best M14 OLED display to their biggest rival, which is Apple, and their iPhone 16 Pro lineup. As disappointing as this may be, this is the byproduct of using Qualcomm all the way, because Qualcomm chips are set to be about 20% more expensive compared to last generation. We're very likely not going to see any display upgrades for the Galaxy S25 series. With that being said, I still think the S25 series will be overall a lot more efficient thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with a whopping 44% power efficiency compared to last generation. Also, massive leak is here revealing all 4 colors for the entire Galaxy S25 series. So you can see once again lots of exciting colors to choose from, especially for the S25 Ultra. We have new titanium blue color, really excited to see how it's gonna look, and new sparkling colors for the S25 and the S25 Plus in blue and green. And if these colors are not enough, Samsung will always offer even more color options exclusive to their online store. Now last but not the least, Samsung's new Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition has been a super hit in South Korea. Pretty much it got sold out in minutes. Like, people really wanted a better Samsung Fold this bad. I wish this was the Fold 6 we've gotten in the first place, but anyways, the Z Fold Special Edition is going really good in Korea, but very likely Samsung won't be launching this in other markets. So there we go, some good news and some not so good news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.